In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 websites that will pay you to watch videos in 2024. Number 3, MyPoints. MyPoints pays you in points for watching videos, but it also pays you for taking surveys, printing coupons, and playing games. Now, to get paid from this site, you will need PayPal. The minimum withdrawal is around $3. Now, before I reveal the number 2 website, please do me a favor and hit that like button. I really appreciate it. The number 2 website is Inbox Dollars. It pays you in cash, not points, for watching videos like television shows, new movie previews, cooking commercials, and much more. To get a payout from this site, you will need a minimum of $3. Now on to the number 1 website, which is Swagbucks Video. Swagbucks is the largest reward site around. They have paid out over $450 million. Now this site lets you watch videos to earn points, which is called SB. And the best thing about this site is there's no minimum withdrawal amount. And another reason why this site is one of the best is you can get paid with gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart, as well as get paid in real money through PayPal. Now, hey, don't click away just yet. I have a special offer for you. If you help this channel get to 10,000 subscribers, a lucky subscriber is going to win a free giveaway, and that can be you. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you found some value from this video, please click on the next video that pops up on this screen to learn more ways to make money online in 2024. And remember, get your grind on.